Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will be showing you how to craft and splinter your offers. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay guys, so this is going to be a little bit on the fly. There's a lot of brainstorming going on here. We're taking stock of what we have, and we want to figure out how we can craft an offer or a funnel of multiple offers based on what we have at our disposal. You have to get a little bit creative here sometimes. In our case, we want one thing to give away and one thing to sell. We've got a bunch of ebooks here that cover several topics: product launches, team management, low-cost startup. We've got video courses here, which have high perceived value and would likely be a good thing to sell at a low to mid-ticket price as our upsell after somebody opts in. We've also got a few miscellaneous things here that we've categorized as other. Landing page templates. Those can be useful. People might pay for those. That also might be something good to give away for free as a lead magnet. Sales page critiques. That's a good one, a valuable one. Sort of a one-on-one thing. So that's probably something we would charge a premium price for. Same thing with coaching. Now this is what we've got at our disposal. And one thing that I happen to have right here on my hard drive is this one right here. A video course called High Level Mastermind. Now I'll actually pull that onto this slide down here just so we can see it and visualize it. And it is exactly what it says, okay? It's a long video course that talks about higher level strategies that can sort of take your business to the next level. It's a very useful video course. Now, here's the question. Do we have to go into our bag of things and find a lower ticket item to give away for free that is relevant? We probably could. I mean, some of these might be relevant, or we could go out and buy or license something else. However, I remember that this one includes a little PDF guide that sort of outlines the course and sort of hits the main points. Now, it's not advertised here as part of it. It's sort of just an afterthought, I guess. However, it is a useful PDF guide. So the question is, do we need to necessarily, in order to craft an offer for this funnel, okay, a two-part offer, something for free and something to sell, do we need to necessarily go and grab something else to add to this, or can we do something called splintering? If we already have a component of this offer that is relevant to this offer, would it be better to take that component out and stick it here as the entry point, as the free giveaway? In many cases, yes, and that is called product splintering or offer splintering. Now, we don't have a way to advertise that PDF. So what we're going to do is get a little bit creative here, and we're going to create an e-cover, okay, so that we actually have something to put on our sales page in our funnel that makes it look kind of nice. So let's come on over here to myecovermaker.com. Great tool for creating graphics to give your info product sort of a tangible feel. And we're going to grab this iPad right here. It's always good for representing ebooks and PDFs. And let's go ahead and search images. And let's look for entrepreneur. All right. Couple of good ones here. I like this one with a guy writing something on a whiteboard. That sounds sort of mastermindish, doesn't it? Right, so we'll get that situated there. Actually, might make that a little bit smaller. And then let's put a title up top. And let's just sort of call it something similar, okay? It doesn't have to be the exact same title, but we'll call it high-level strategies. Resize that a little bit, and that looks fine. Okay, that looks like a good ebook or a good free report to give away. We'll click finalize. We'll give it a couple of moments to render that, and there you go. That's not a bad looking ebook or a bad looking PDF. Okay, we probably could have made it look a little bit prettier. Okay, this could be a little bit more flush, I guess, but you get the idea. Okay, we took something that already exists within the assets that we have, within the offer, the main core thing that we were going to sell, we took a component and we splintered it away from it and made it sort of its own self-sufficient thing. Okay, and we're going to utilize this. Let's go ahead and download this .png file. We're going to utilize this in our funnel. Let's come back over here. Drag this right in here just to be able to visualize what we're talking about. What we're going to end up doing is sending traffic to an entry point where we offer this for free. Okay. After we offer that for free, we're going to send them to this, where we charge a certain price, we haven't decided yet, for this video course, okay? What we collected here when we gave this away for free, however, was emails, okay? So we're going to be sending people into a sequence of automated emails, presumably. It's one of the most basic funnels. So even if nobody buys the product that you end up selling here, at least you ended up getting a lead added to your email list, okay? So this is pretty much it, guys. This is what it comes down to when you're thinking about either crafting offers or splintering offers that you have into multiple components that can make up various steps inside of a sales funnel. So now that we've got the idea, this is what we're going for. Our free component and our paid component. Let's go ahead and take this. Let's go back into ClickFunnels and let's actually go through the funnel designing process where we actually create the pages and make this happen and come to life.